Lana, come on.
Oh, you're drooling more. I put your bib back on. Come on. Oh, there you go. Come on. Come on.
Whoa.
Come on. What are you? Keep going. Time to turn.
This is good stuff here.
Well, Big Brother could try to never. Grandma got one right here, look.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, hi. Are you saying hi? Where did you get that? That Yaya. What did she give you? I think Lana's gonna want it. Right, keep going. Keep going. I'm gonna put the bib back. I'm just gonna wrench her shirt. Come here, drooly girl.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.